A major security operation in Abia State has led to the arrest of 13 suspects linked to alleged armed robbery, vandalism, unlawful possession of firearms, and other criminal activities. The Abia State Police Command says the arrests were carried out as part of ongoing efforts to tackle violent crimes and improve security across the state. Several weapons, ammunition, and suspected criminal materials were reportedly recovered during the operations. The latest development highlights the continued efforts by security agencies to disrupt criminal networks, remove illegal weapons from communities, and bring suspected offenders before the law. According to the Abia State Police Command, operatives of the Violent Crime Response Unit, also known as VCRU, carried out several operations that resulted in the arrest of suspects involved in different criminal activities.
From the last time we met till now, our strategic operational procedures are ongoing, and it has yielded dividends. It is fight against crime and criminality, and the command is not resting on ours. A total of 230 suspects were arrested during the period, including 15 female suspects for various offenses, ranging from armed robbery, child trafficking, child theft, kidnapping, and other offenses, including malicious damage and other minor offenses. In the course of our operations, we've been able to recover an avalanche of arms, various arms, including 15 locally made shotguns, 4 AK-47 rifles, 2 Ruger foreign military rifles, 1 LA, 1 long-range gun, 1 fabricated locally made Beretta pistol, 1 pump action, 1 English chest Scorpion pistol, 347 rounds of ammunition of various calibers, in consonance with our mandate to keep Abia State crime-free.
The police public relations officer of the command, DSP Maureen Chinaka, disclosed the arrest in a statement released on Wednesday. She explained that one of the suspects arrested by the VCRU was a 27-year-old Uchenna Agbeiwu, a native of Nkume in Olu local government area of Imo State, who resides in Obakala, Abia State. According to the police, Agbeiwu was arrested in connection with alleged vandalism. During the operation, officers reportedly recovered a large vandalized pipeline concealed with sawdust inside a white Toyota Ayaz bus. The police said investigations are ongoing and efforts are being intensified to apprehend other suspects believed to be connected to the alleged vandalism. The arrest comes amid growing concerns about the destruction of public infrastructure and the economic impact of vandalism across Nigeria. Government facilities and critical infrastructure have frequently been targeted by criminals, causing financial losses and affecting essential services. Security agencies have continued to warn that individuals involved in vandalizing public assets will face prosecution. In another operation, police operatives attached to the Violent Crime Response Unit in Abia North arrested a suspect identified as Williams Ifeanyi of Market Road, Abia. According to the police, Ifeanyi was arrested on August 2, 2026 over allegations of armed robbery. The command alleged that the suspect attacked a victim along Market Road by rail in Abia, where he reportedly dispossessed the victim of a bag and personal belongings at gunpoint. During the arrest, police said a pistol and live cartridges were recovered from the suspect. The recovery of firearms during criminal investigations remains a major focus for security agencies, as illegal weapons are often linked to violent crimes, robbery attacks, and criminal activities. The Abia State Police Command also announced the arrest of 2 additional suspects, John Chigozie and David Anyaka, over their alleged involvement in an armed robbery incident at a hotel in Abia. The incident reportedly occurred on August 1, 2026. Police said operatives from the Urata Divisional Police Station carried out the arrest and recovered a pistol and live ammunition from the suspects. The command stated that investigations are continuing to establish the full circumstances surrounding the robbery and identify whether more individuals were involved. In a separate operation, operatives of the Violent Crime Response Unit in Bende Road acted on intelligence information and arrested members of what police described as a violent criminal group during a meeting at Umu Izeku in Umuahia North. The suspects were reportedly apprehended while gathered at the location. According to the police, several dangerous items were recovered during the operation. The recovery items allegedly included 1 pump-action gun, 1 Beretta pistol, live cartridges, a cutlass, an axe, substances suspected to be hard drugs, walkie-talkies, a face mask, 2 red berets, and 1 black beret. The police said investigations into the activities of the group are ongoing. The arrest comes as security agencies across Nigeria continue operations aimed at reducing violent crimes, especially armed robbery, illegal possession of firearms, and organized criminal activities. Abia State, like many parts of the country, has faced security concerns involving criminal gangs, robbery incidents, and other forms of violence. Authorities have repeatedly emphasized the importance of intelligence gathering and cooperation between security agencies and members of the public in combating crime. Security experts have also argued that successful crime prevention requires more than arrest alone. They believe effective investigations, prosecution of suspects, community cooperation, and effort to address factors that encourage criminal activities are necessary for long-term security. The police have encouraged residents to continue providing useful information that can help security agencies identify criminal elements and prevent attacks before they happened. While the suspects remain allegations at this stage and will have the opportunity to defend themselves through the legal process, the Abia State Police Command says the operations demonstrate its commitment to fighting crime and protecting residents. The recovery of firearms and other suspected criminal materials is being viewed by authorities as an important step in disrupting criminal networks operating in the state. As investigations continue, police authorities say more arrests may follow as efforts continue to track other individuals allegedly connected to the various crimes. For residents of Abia State, the expectation is that these operations will translate into improved safety and stronger protection for communities across the state. The message from the police command is clear. Individuals involved in armed robbery, vandalism, illegal possession of firearms, and violent criminal activities will continue to face intensified security operations. What do you think about this latest police operation in Abia State? Do you believe stronger security operations can help reduce crime across communities? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to First Next News Nigeria for more updates and analysis on major events happening across Nigeria. I am Cassie Tony. Many thanks for watching.